How to receive money on PayPal without linking a bank account. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily receive money on your PayPal account without having to link a bank account directly. First thing first, head over to your web browser and go to paypal.com. So if you aren't already logged in, just make sure to log into your account. You can see the logout button at the top right, which means that I am logged in. You could also use the PayPal application if you have it on your phone. So the very important step you need to make sure that you've completed in order to receive money without having to add a bank account is a verified email address. So if you don't have a verified email address on PayPal, you won't be able to receive money. To verify your email, click on the settings or the gear icon. And once you head over to settings, go to accounts. And from here, you'll be able to see your primary email right here. And then if you want to edit it and change it, click on edit. Just make the change. And then from here, you are able to confirm your email. They'll be sending a verification code on your email address. And there you could easily verify your email. Once you have done that, the second thing you need to make sure is that you have added a credit card or debit card. It does not necessarily have to be a bank credit or debit card. It could be any other platform's card. So from here, just head over to your home page. Once you get to your home page here on cards, you can shop and send payments more securely once you link your credit card now. So click on link a card. And once you link your card, just enter your card details here. It does not necessarily have to be your bank's card. Enter your expiration date and enter your CVV code, enter your billing address, and then click on link card. If all of the details are correct, your card should be linked to your PayPal account. And once the card is linked, you could easily spend the money without having to link a bank account. So you can do online shoppings where PayPal is accepted, and you can directly pay the money from your card from PayPal without having to join your bank account. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.